So Cyprus Shores is one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of San Clemente. It's beachfront, great amenities, gated, and beautiful homes. Let's go in and check this one out, listed at $6.5 million. Cyprus Shore. All right. Love the floors, the black accents. Really cool house.
So this is the steam.
Open floor plan. Really nice. Little resort style backyard. Love the fire pit. I like the outdoor dining options. Great. Super cool master with the built-ins. Light and bright. Really nice master bath. This house is really well done. Boy, this house is nice from the outside too. I love the 3-car garage, subterranean. What a great house. $6.5 million. San Clemente, Cyprus.